Hello, welcome to Math. In this class, we want to find the value of s from this equation. 3 raised to power s plus 9 raised to power s is equal to 27. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Solution. Three raised to power s plus 9 raised to power s can be written as 3 squared raised to power s is equal to 27 raised to power s can be written as 3 raised to power 3 raised to power x. Then this is 3 raised to power s plus 3 raised to power s squared is equal to 3 raised to power s raised to power 3. That is from this rule that a raised to power n raised to power m is equal to a raised to power m raised to power n. Now we have 3 raised to power s plus 3 raised to power s squared minus 3 raised to power s raised to power 3 is equal to 0. Then let's rearrange. We have 3 raised to power s raised to power 3 minus 3 raised to power s squared minus 3 raised to power s is equal to 0. Now from here, let 3 raised to power s is equal to y. Then we have y cubed minus y squared minus y is equal to 0. So y is common. Let's factor y out. Y into y squared minus 1 is equal to 0. Here we have two cases. Y is equal to 0 or y squared minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is y equal to 0, and let's solve this. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula, and our quadratic general formula is given as y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Then a is equal to 1 from this equation, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to minus 1. Let's substitute. We have y is equal to minus into minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 square minus 4 into 1 multiplied by minus 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. Now y is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus 4 times 1 times minus 1, that is plus 4 divided by 2. Then y is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 5 over 2. Then y is equal to 1 plus root 5 over 2, which is also called golden ratio, or y is equal to 1 minus root 5 over 2. But remember that 3 raised to power s is equal to y. So 3 raised to power s is equal to 1 plus root 5 over 2. Then, or 3 raised to power s is equal to 1 minus root 5 over 2, or 3 raised to power s is equal to 0. Since we are asked to find the real value of s, from here 3 raised to power s is equal to 0, we know that 3 raised to power s cannot be equal to 0. So this one has no solution. Then also from here, 3 raised to power s is equal to 1 minus root 5 over 2. This is less than 0, and this is rejected. So the only real solution we have is this 3 raised to power s is equal to 1 plus root 5 over 2. Then let's take the log of both sides. Log 3 raised to power s is equal to log 1 plus root 5 over 2. Then s log 3 is equal to log 1 plus root 5 over 2. Then let's divide both sides by log 3. S log 3 divided by log 3 is equal to log 1 plus root 5 over 2 divided by log 3. And this one will cancel this. Then x is equal to log 1 plus root 5 over 2 divided by log 3. S is equal to log 1 plus root 5 over 2 base 3. Then we have s is equal to log 1 plus root 5 minus log 2 over log 3, because log a over b is equal to log a minus log b. Then s is equal to log 3.2361 minus log 2 then over log 3. This is s is equal to 0.5100 minus 0.3010 divided by 0.4771. Then s is equal to 0.209 divided by 0.4771. And our final answer is s is equal to 0.209 divided by 0.4771. That is 0.438. That is our final answer. Before you leave, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.